YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaBug. This is their suction side above ground pool cleaner. So we're going to kind of dive in and show you guys how to replace some of the internal parts. So stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we have some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaBug. This is their suction side cleaner meant for their above ground pools. So today's video, super short, super sweet. Again, if you guys want to know how you got all the way down to this point where we're at right now, you're going to be dealing with the upper middle housing. So you guys will need to get access to this red bushing gear cover that they call it. So you will need to remove everything. So again, check out the links in the description. We got a playlist for you guys on how to get to this point. But this red piece is pretty crucial to the actual functionality of the cleaner. It will cause as a friction point between the actual main spindle gear here that you guys have located on top and the actual plastic of the cleaner. So really simple. You guys would think you need to twist this thing or take it off, but to remove it, you're just gonna pull straight out. So it definitely has a tab here that is part of the actual frame where it actually will have that little slat there for the tab. So when you do get your new one and you install it, it's nice. It's already got a directional thing for you guys so you don't install it upside down by accident. So you're just gonna go ahead and make sure you slide it back into that spot. And all that's doing, again, is gonna protect the plastic rubbing on this as the suction's coming through your hose, because this is what your hose is actually going to connect to. So really simple. Just wanted to show you guys a really quick fix. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We got a ton more videos coming your way. Till then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.